is approaching, and we know everyone gets pumpkin crazy, right? To kick off my fall pumpkin recipe series, here's a quick and easy 2-minute video on how to make your own keto pumpkin spice for all our upcoming ketogenic fall recipes. Here's what you'll need. 3 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. 2 teaspoons of ground nutmeg. 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. 1 teaspoon of allspice. Next, you'll need 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, but if you're like me and you don't have ground cloves, you can actually just use regular full cloves and grind them up using a mortar and pestle as I did here. Next, you'll need 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom. So again, I used the cardamom here, the full ones, and I used my mortar and pestle to grind them up. As you can see here, I removed all the shells and kept only the spice from inside because I didn't want big chunky pieces of cardamom inside my pumpkin spice. Mix all the ingredients together and voila, here's your homemade keto pumpkin spice. It's best if you store it in an airtight container like I did. Stay tuned because we'll be using this in many of our upcoming pumpkin spice recipes from my Keto Pumpkin Recipe series this fall. I'll be making keto pumpkin pie, keto pumpkin spice latte, keto pumpkin cheesecake, and many, many more. If you like this video and you want to see more keto recipes, then make sure to hit that subscribe button on my channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first one to see the videos when they come out. Stay tuned for all our upcoming keto recipes this fall and see you soon. Happy pumpkin season!